Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am doing a video on this look here, which is my natural glowy summer look. I think I might name it something a little bit different, but it's along those lines. It's more of just a warm, glowy, pretty look for the summertime. So without any further ado, let's get right on into the video. So for this look, I'm going for a more dewy summer look, and so I'm not going to use any products that are going to matte in my face. I'm just going to try to enhance my natural glow, which I don't really usually do, but it's very pretty. So I'm going to start off by using this Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. I don't know if that's focusing. I'm going to put this on my face. So I've already primed. Step 2, I'm going to go in with my foundation. The foundation I'm using is the Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation. It's a 2-in-1 concealer and foundation, and it's a little dark for me, but I really like it. This foundation has more of a natural to a dewy finish. If you do have oily skin, you can bring blotting paper or blot your face with some tissue or something to help it. I'm just going to go in with my Morphe 439 brush. I thought that's what it was. And I'm just going to buff this in. Next, I'm going to be going in with my Estée Lauder Double Wear Concealer. And I'm just going to use this to brighten up under my eyes. And for this look, I want everything to be bright, so that's kind of what I've done here. And I'm going to use that same brush and just pat it all out a little bit, not all the way. Then I'm going to go back in with my ring finger, and I'm just going to tap back and forth under my eye to blend the rest of that in. I'm not going in with a sponge because I feel like with my beauty sponge, it leaves more of a matte finish, and that's just not what I'm going for today. Okay, after this step on my normal routine, I would just usually go in with a brush or a sponge and some powder and just blot my whole face with the powder just to set it off. But I'm just going to go in with a dry Real Technique sponge and this banana powder here, and I'm only going to set under my eyes because if I don't, I will crease. So now we're going to move on to contouring. My favorite palette, this is the BH Cosmetics Studio Pro Contour Palette, and then I'm going to go in with my all-time favorite contour and bronzing brush, which is the Morphe R10 brush. Oh, my nose is a change. I want to use these first 2 shades right there, and I'm just going to go straight in right there in the hollows of my cheekbones. I'm just going to blend that. Blend, blend. I just start kind of closer to my hairline and then bring it down and up a little, and then do the same thing. And whatever's left over, I'm just going to start to blend onto my forehead. Because with a nice glowy summer look, you just want to be bronzed and glowy. So right now we're just going to focus on the bronzing. Bring it down my neck. And just because I want to be a little bit extra, I'm going to go in and just kind of add a little bit more bronze on my cheeks. Get my tan on without being in the sun. See what makeup can do. Turn a little snowman into a tangerine. Now with this more focused brush, I'm going to kind of drag that into my contour area just to kind of add a little bit more definition. See? And I'm just going to take the other brush to blend it all out. Now taking this Morphe M438 brush, I'm going to dip back into that banana powder and just set my eyelids. And for my eyes, I'm going to go in with my Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm going to use this M573 blending crease brush. The first shade that I'm going to go in with is this one here. It's going to blend this right into my crease. kind of sloppily. I don't necessarily want it focused directly in the crease. That could be in the crease, a little above it, and a little bit onto the lid as well. Next, I'm going to go in with this shade in the very center here. The same brush, and I'm just going to work this right on top of that, but more focus in the crease, inner and outer. Now I'm going to go in with this second shade here. There's not much of it left, but I'm going to use that, mix with that, and I'm just going to put this all over my lid. And then I'm just going to go back in with that brush and just kind of blend those edges. Now from the Festival palette, I'm going to go in with this top shade here with my finger and just dab it right there in the very center. Now I'm going to go in with this outer corner shade here, which is in Escape. Okay, I've added a little bit of definition under my eyes and a little bit more in the crease. Now I'm going to go in with this shade here from the Festival palette, and I'm going to pop it right here under my brow. With that same Festival shade, I'm going to go down the center of my nose. I'm going to hit my Cupid's bow. I'm going to use this Morphe 530 brush for my blush brush, and I'm going to be using this Bobbi Brown Shimmer Brick in Nectar. I'm just going to swirl this in all of the colors, and I'm just going to kind of put that all over my cheeks. And for my cheekbone highlight, I'm going to go in with this top shade here from the BH Cosmetics palette. Now this is the most creamy shade without too much fallout. It's like a vanilla highlight, and I really do like that. I'm using my Estée Lauder brow pencil, and I'm just going to outline the under portion of my brow. And now I'm going to go on top and outline just a little bit as well, just to add a little bit of definition. And I'm just gonna make long strokes with the brush, just to, I don't want it too precise because that's not what a boy brow is. See how easy that was? I think I want to add a little bit of definition here at the beginning. So here's that brow compared to that one. Okay, now since all of that is done, I'm going to go do my mascara and put on my lashes, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, I want to show y'all how I put on fake eyelashes. I have the eyelashes here. I pulled them off of the pack, and I like to hold them in the very center with tweezers. And I put glue on them already, and you blow on them for like 30 to 60 seconds to kind of make the glue tacky. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to lay them straight down on my lid, just like that. I'm going to attach the inner corner, and then I'm going to attach the outer corner. I'm going to use these tweezers and kind of drag it all together. It's difficult doing this on camera. Hopefully this helps y'all. Then you can use your finger and kind of make sure the lashes are stuck to the lid. The reason that you want the glue to be a little bit tacky is just so that whenever you first lay it on your eye, it's not going to slip and slide. It's just going to be tacky and stick to your lid just a little bit better. Now for my lips, I'm just going to go in with a nude lip liner. This is from NYX in the shade Peekaboo. Then on top of that, I'm just going to go in with this Bare Minerals liquid lip in Wink. After that dries down a little bit, I'm just going to put some gloss on over top. Okay guys, so this is my finished look. This is my dewy summer face makeup look. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. If there's anything else you'd like to see, please leave it in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching. Bye y'all. We just said to go, talking mention labels. Got 50, 60 grand, 500 grams now.